All right, in our coordination review, we last dealt with the grid lines that move. Now let's deal with these level lines that are copy monitored from our link, and the link has changed. Again, if I hit my reveal hidden and I look behind the scenes, I can see that my level lines in the link that I've hidden in an earlier lesson are off. They've been moved up from mine. So I need to do, that's what this whole copy monitor coordination review is used for. So if I go back to here and I go to my coordination review, select link, and I pick on my link again, now I have my levels, and it's telling me I have levels to deal with. Level has moved up by a foot. Level has moved by 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet. So what it's telling me here is these elements have moved, and then over here I have my choice on how I want to deal with them. Do nothing, meaning just don't do anything. Reject, meaning leave it the way it is and put it on the books as being rejected. Then we can use these postpone and reject to show us what's been rejected or postponed, so it stays on the books. You can say accept the difference, meaning leave them both in separate places and I'm okay with it. Or you can say actually move it. So what I'm going to do is I can do these all at once. And you have to be careful because levels are tied to different things. You might have constraints on there, and you might have, elements that are, moving a level up by 4 feet. This is a lot. I'd never do this, but this is an exaggeration. Each one went up by a foot, so this one ends up going up by 4 feet. It compounds. So you can do them one at a time, or I can go over in here and just pick them all at once and say move the 3rd floor level, move the 4th floor, which is going to make some drastic changes, move the 5th floor, and move the roof. And then if I go over to here and I hit apply, boom, all those levels just moved up, and I hit OK. And now my levels are coordinated with the copy monitored levels from my link once more. And if I zoom in, I can see that these have all been changed to be 13 feet, and they were 12 feet, and this was 47 earlier, and now it's 46. So copy monitor and coordination review.